first or third person. This is Camilla Young, art marketer and artist coach, and today we will dive into this debate. Frankly, the decision to write your About Us page in first or third person depends on your personal preference and the tone you want to convey. Here are some tips to help you decide. Number 1, consider your page title. If your page is titled About Me, then it makes sense to write in first person. That means I am, I did this, etc. If your page is titled About Us, then third person may be more appropriate. Number 2, write with your voice. Writing in the first person can make your content more conversational and personal. It's like treating the reader as your best friend or close associate. This can help you connect with your audience and build trust. Number 3, tell a story. Your About Us page is an opportunity to tell your story and share your personality. Writing in the first person can help you do this in a way that feels authentic and engaging. Number 4, be objective. Writing in the third person can make your content sound more objective and credible. This can be useful if you want to emphasize your expertise or professionalism. Ultimately, the decision to write your About Us page in first or third person should be based on what feels most natural and authentic to you. Whether you choose to write in first or third person, make sure your content is engaging, informative, and reflects your unique voice and personality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos to help you develop your artist career.